everyone, my name's Simon and welcome to another episode of the Maserati Guy. Today we're going to be looking at taking off the Plastidip on the chrome elements of the GranTurismo. These have looked quite cool for a while, but now they're starting to look tired. Every time I clean it, little bits flake off. It's looking a bit tatty. So I'm going to put it back to the original chrome. So I'm going to use a product called de-solv-it. Now this is a citrus-based product. Has a very strong smell of oranges about it, which is quite nice. But this basically won't do any damage to the paintwork, but it will actually just dissolve the Plastidip very easily and allow it just to be brushed off with a very soft brush, which is very easy, very effective. And so let's get to it. So here on the near side Pininfarina badge, you can see at the end here, it's just starting to flake off the Plastidip. It's not a very permanent solution. So I think the time has come for it to be taken back to chrome and enjoy it in its original state. Just spray it on, just leave it for a minute or so. That's pretty much job done for that little bit. And then we'll move on to the rest. Well, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching the restoration of the chrome on the Maserati GranTurismo. If you have found it interesting and informative, don't forget to give the like a click. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram at Maserati Guy 2017. So, thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.